we do is before we'll actually sanitise, we'll get suited and booted. Okay, we've now finished sanitising this large room. We sanitised it, we left it down for about 15-20 minutes, with all the windows and doors closed. Came back in again, we've opened the windows and doors again, left it for 15 to 20 minutes, and now this room is fully usable again.
If you have any further questions, please contact an advisor at vinnieburn.com. Alternatively, email sales@vinnieburn.com.